This is a standard 7-string guitar pickup. It's a rectangle. And so are these. These are also 7-string pickups, but these ones are for a multiscale or fan fret guitar, as shown by their slanted parallelogram design. They also happen to be made from rosewood. Here's another set of multiscale pickups, but if you look closely, you'll see that the bobbins of these pickups are set at a different angle to the rosewood set. This is a common theme across multiscale guitars. The manufacturers can't seem to agree on what angle to set their pickups. For example, Ibanez sets their bridge pickups at 75 degrees on their 7-string guitars, while PRS uses 80 degrees, but ESP Ltd is using 72 degrees. They're all different, even when using the same scale lengths for the guitars. And some manufacturers go as far as to use different pickup slants for the bridge and neck positions. So how are the big aftermarket pickup designers like DiMarzio and Seymour Duncan supposed to take advantage of this market trend if every guitar manufacturer is utilising a different slant for their pickups and routing? It would require a brand-specific pickup for each multi-scale design that they release. However, the astute among you might have noticed something about the ESP Ltd multiscale guitar shown earlier. It does in fact come stock with slanted Seymour Duncan pickups. But aside from this, assuming you aren't a multi-million-dollar guitar manufacturer, how are you, the humble guitarist, supposed to upgrade the barely passable pickups that come with your multiscale guitar? Well, there is a DIY solution for this, and it's actually not too difficult. So I'm going to show you how to convert a regular pickup into a multiscale one. A traditional humbucker is comprised of a few standardized pieces: plastic bobbins, enamel wire, metal pole pieces, a magnet, a shim, a spacer, and a rectangular base plate like this one, which holds everything together with the help of some tape. A multiscale pickup also shares these same components. However, it uses a slanted base plate instead of a rectangular one. The solution is simple. Just switch the base plate of the stock multiscale pickup with the rectangular aftermarket pickup. Yes, it's that easy. Which brings me to today's collateral damage, a Harley Benton SC7 fan fret. These 80-degree pickups aren't half bad, but they could be better. And before I go tearing apart a €100 DiMarzio pickup in attempting to stuff it into my guitar, I thought I'd test my theory using the €10 pickup shown at the beginning of the video. And away we go. The first step is to disassemble both pickups, removing the 4 screws in the bottom of each pickup as well as the tape around the bobbins. You might also need to raise the pole pieces to release the base plate. The base plate can then be pried away from the magnet. Note that this ground wire needs to be unsoldered before continuing. The process is then repeated for the multiscale pickup. At this point, the bobbins can be separated, allowing them to be set at any angle, so the next step is to attach the slanted base plate. In this case, only 2 of the 4 base plate holes would line up with the ones on the bobbins, but it worked out okay. Make sure to replace any shims or spacers, retape the bobbins, and you have yourself a custom slanted pickup. And that's how you can convert a standard pickup into one you can use in your multiscale guitar, so why not try it for yourself?